Understanding, be upfront. A phrase unpacked. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, be upfront. This common expression can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Be upfront is a phrase that means to be open and honest about your thoughts and intentions from the beginning. It's about being straightforward and not hiding anything. Imagine you're looking at a clear window, not a door. You can see right through it. That's being upfront. This idiom likely comes from the idea of being at the front of something, not hidden away. It suggests that nothing is being kept in the back, so to speak. It's all about transparency. Let's look at some examples. I prefer it when people are upfront with me about what they want. He was upfront about the challenges we may face in the project. By using be upfront, you're asking someone to be clear and direct with their communication. In a work setting, being upfront is highly valued. It can refer to discussing compensation during a job interview or being clear about project deadlines. Being upfront helps to avoid misunderstandings and builds trust. While being upfront is generally seen as positive, in some cultures, it may be interpreted as too direct or even rude. It's important to understand the context and the person you're speaking to. Being upfront is all about clarity and honesty in your interactions. We hope this video has made the phrase, be upfront, clear to you and that you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.